Welcome to JH. Way claims to be this massive blockchain platform, offering compliance-driven crypto payment rails and rewards through its WeFi nodes. It sounds incredibly fancy, doesn't it? It even presents itself as an ethical, AI-powered ecosystem for secure transactions and decentralized apps. Because nothing says ethical like a company that needs 5 buzzwords just to describe its existence. But before you open your wallet, we have to ask, is WeFi a legitimate breakthrough or just another elaborate trap for hopeful investors? Let's break it down step by step, starting with the transparency or the total lack of it. Way hides behind a confusing web of shell companies scattered across Canada, Costa Rica, Hong Kong, St. Vincent, and Street Kits. These locations are world famous for 2 things: beautiful vacation spots and non-existent financial regulations. To make matters worse, they don't even provide a real corporate address. I suppose somewhere in the Caribbean is specific enough for your life savings, right? Then there is the leadership team. Way loves to highlight Reeve Collins, the co-founder of Tether, but there's a catch. Collins left Tether years ago, and Tether itself has been buried under fraud allegations and massive fines. The rest of the squad consists of random crypto bros in Dubai and Isef Morakmov, an actual international fugitive wanted for embezzling $50 million. Most companies do background checks. Way seemingly uses them as a recruitment checklist for their dream team. The third concern is the product, or rather, the fact that there isn't one. Way has no real products or services to speak of. The only thing they actually sell are ITO nodes, which supposedly generate passive income in WeFi tokens. That isn't a business model. It's just an MLM-style investment pitch with a digital coat of paint. This leads directly into their Ponzi-like structure. They promise sky-high returns of up to 350% annually on node investments. If those numbers were actually real, the founders would be too busy buying private islands to recruit you on Telegram. In reality, all payouts are in WeFi tokens, which have zero proven value outside their own platform. It's the classic new money pays the old scheme that always ends in tears. Finally, let's talk about regulation. Way openly admits it doesn't hold any licenses outside of Hong Kong and tries to shift the legal responsibility onto the investors with some very weak disclaimers. Let's be real. Offering securities without proper approval is illegal in most of the civilized world. So is Way legit? Looking at the evidence, the answer is a resounding no. It shows every single sign of a high-risk Ponzi scheme, from the fugitive leadership to the unrealistic returns. The entire house of cards depends on a constant stream of new money. Once that stream dries up, the whole thing will collapse, leaving most investors with nothing but a worthless digital token. Thanks for watching till the end. Stay safe, stay smart, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.